Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. We've got you covered on all gist happening in the Ultimate Love reality TV show. So today, Kachi told Rosie, I don't want Aunty to bring my ex. Someone is scared here. Obviously, Kachi and Rosie seems to be having the best of time in the love part, and the former does not want a distraction from an outsider or what happened to Iykeresa to befall them. So after having a loved up moment with Rosie and opening up to things that they may face in the outside world, Kachi joking said he's ready to love Rosie to the end. He said, people, Aunty should not bring his ex as he's very okay with Rosie. Kachi and Rosie look like the only couple enjoying their love because they took their time to understand each other, while other people's relationships are no longer there because they jump into it so fast without understanding themselves. So Roxy is the real deal. Yes, they are the main thing to happen to this Ultimate Love reality show. I'm really enjoying them and I'm happy they're happy together. I hope Aunty sees it this way and not do anything to break them up again, because it took Rosie time to really open up to Kachi, and we are happy it is working out for them. Okay guys, so please stay tuned to my channel for more updates on the Ultimate Love show, and if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drop.